This is a 72-inch belt sander I drew. It's kind of on the same lines as everybody else's, except for I put a disc on it. No, this is kind of hard to do. One hand on your cell phone. I was going to have the motor run out the back, but I think I'm going to have the motor off the pedestal. Put wheels on it. 2x2 coming down, motor hanging, belt, inverted 4 pulleys so I can change the belt speed. Based all the sizes of these pulleys off of Beaumont. I think it's called Beaumont. He sells all these pulleys, but it seems to be a real nice one he's got. Very nice design. I just don't have that kind of money to be spending. I'll let you know how it turns out.